I'm gonna do like a little exam right here before I squeeze anything else. But if you feel any scratchy, that's how much you're gonna use. And we're gonna go and check, and right here, it's right in the cuticle area. It's going to be really scratchy right here. So each time you are going to do it, just squeeze just a little bit in. So then, therefore, it's going to seal is right. Check, check, check. If you feel scratchy, seals it in. Check, 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 check. I'm going to seal right on the top of the frame and metal beads. And cure this for 60 seconds. And also keep in mind, if you are feeling it's still scratchy after your clients that pull it out, you feel like, oh my God, Nancy, this is still scratchy, is catching me or getting my hair, then make sure you seals it again. But then do a little at a time. So then that way you don't flood it, your crystal, you don't make it like all the precision glue gel is gonna be loading so much and it make it looks like lumpy when you are finished curing. So I'm gonna go ahead and seal on the top of the metal beads. I'm sealing on the top of her and then check around on her wings, on her body to make sure that she's landing safe and not catching anything else. Because you want she to last long and stay there for 4 weeks, like 2 to 4 weeks. Of course, it's 4 weeks for it's a lot of like a set, and but without coming off. So seal, seal, seal under her wing. So when you feel like it's scratchy, you are going to seal it, and the squeeze each time you're going to use just a little bit. Little go a long way, and also you can always edit more as you needed it. Okay. So cure for 60 seconds. And then we are moving on to the next one. Again, we did like a little bit of really cool and fun tutorial today. Thanks so much for hanging around with me, staying with me. This is like any AC designs would be as a great, like simple, quick and easy. Keep in mind, you can add more or you can take off. I mean, just crystal. I'm not talking about clothes or anything. So this adds more. As you needed it, the crystal, you can keep going on. You can add like, just however you like, your clients like, and the client's preference, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and seal on the top of the frame. Seal completely, top of the bead, top of the bead, top of the bead, beads, 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 beads. And around the crystal, you don't want to seal on the top of the crystal because it's going to destroy the beautiful sparkle cut shapes and the size of it. So want to go seals on the top of the metal beads around the crystals, around the crystals, around the crystal. Get a little fur right there. Okay. And then you can always go back, and then when the clients were saying it's so scratchy right here, you can go back and seals it again. Make sure you fast key it first, 30 seconds. And then until you are happy with this and there's no like issue catching on the client's hair, clothes, then you can full cure 60 seconds around cuticle area. And I feel the scratchy right here and the seals on the top of the metal beads and on the frame, the arrows right here. And I can feel the scratchy on this side as well. So squeeze it in a little bit. So when you feel scratchy, you are going to squeeze just a little bit in. You don't have to like flooding them in order for them to keep. You just need to seal right in the gap that it needed it. And then we are going to do the last one. Again, we are going to seal on the beads and right here on the frame. More frame. You can also use the other end, which is the metal, the precision brush on the other end. If you need like a larger area, you need to get the sealing with the larger, like a metal piece. Right here, scratchy, we're gonna squeeze it in just a little bit. And then before I am going to clear this one, I'm not using my tinted brush and using on the other end tinted brush, one end to using condensed gel, or you can use it at the brush for the gel's applications. And I'm using this end right here, the precise end, and then using it and blend it a little bit before you cure. So then that's why when you finish, it doesn't look lumpy. Looks great. Here for 60 seconds. I like this one a lot. You know, keep in mind, you don't have to go all the way. You can do less, or you can do more. You don't have to do all the way like this, but also you don't have to stop at this. You can add more. 1 second. Here is, there's only 5, 1, 6 color.